So sa mga nagsisimula and to those people who wanna scale your business, here's my advice for you when it comes to leads. Alam ko yung iba sa inyo maraming budget. Pero kung ako tatanungin nyo, paano ko isa-set up yung sarili kong negosyo, I will always start with organic leads. Magsisimula ako sa pagkikreate ng content aligned with my brand, focused on solving other people's problems. Okay? Kasi tandaan mo na kapag naipakita mo sa mga kliyente mo na kaya mong isolve yung basic problems nila, maiintindihan at mararamdaman nila na kaya mong isolve yung mas malalaking problema nila. So your goal here in creating content is to solve a narrow problem of the prospect. And once na-solve mo na yung problema, you will build trust, you will build credibility, and they would say, I want to buy your products.